Hi, it's Sarah Reynolds, and I wanted to give you a market update. At one time, we either were talking about getting your house on the market and or talking about potentially selling your home. And I just wanted to give a quick market update in terms of what we are seeing. So we've already been able to help well over 100 families this year, and we are watching the market so closely. And many sellers or potential sellers are asking us, when is the right time to sell a home? And many times sellers believe that spring is the best time. And to be honest, it's because there is so much fake news out there, and I wanted to explain that. So if you Google right now, when's the best time to sell a house, or is spring the best time to sell a house, you are going to see many articles saying April through June, April through July is the best time to sell a home. If you think about it, springtime in many markets is a beautiful time to sell a house, and I totally understand that. And it's actually not the best time to sell a home. The best time to sell a home is when the inventory is low and demand is high. And right now we are seeing demand, interest rates dropped a little bit. We are seeing so many buyers. I believe we met with over 150 buyers just last week. Okay. We are seeing so many buyers that are looking to purchase a home right now. So demand is there. Yes, the market has softened, so you want to be in good condition and priced correctly, but demand is certainly there and inventory is low. As we get closer to April, inventory will start increasing, which means you have more competition. Now, the tricky part is with a lot of these graphs and a lot of these things that you'll find online is they show you these fancy graphs showing April is the best time to get the most amount of money for your home, or May is the best time. What they don't tell you is that all of that data is based around sold date, not on market date. This is where it can get really tricky, and so I want to make sure you hear me, okay? So a lot of times they're basing it on sold date, not on market date. If something is closing in April, that means that they were probably on the market right now. If something is closing in May, that means they were on the market right now or potentially in March. So when you look at those graphs and it shows that you get the most amount of money, they're talking about sold date, which means that you actually need to get on the market right now to get the most amount of money. So I wanted to give you this update. I also wanted to encourage you to, our job is to help you get the most money possible. That's our number one thing. That's what we do better than anyone else. Okay. We do that through our 1,200 marketing channels. We do that through already having buyers in our system for your home. And we want to hit the nail on the head with timing. Now, we will always be ready to help you. So if right now is not the right time, we would be honored to help you when the time is right. But if you can, we would highly recommend for you to call our agent partner that you're working with and figure out a plan to get on the market as soon as possible, because the later you wait, the more inventory is going to go up. If demand stays the same, inventory goes up, that means that pricing has to come down. So to get the most money possible, you want to get on the market right now, and we're encouraging you to do that. It's important also to be priced correctly, so we will give you an assessment on what that means in terms of getting you the most amount of money and help you ensure that you get your house sold for the most amount of money. And we can also negotiate. Just because you go under contract doesn't mean that that's when you need to move out. So we can help negotiate the terms to fit when it's an ideal time for you to move out. So get on the market to get the most money now, to get under contract for the most amount of money now, and then we will negotiate for you in terms of the possession date of the buyer, so you don't have to move just because you get under contract. Okay, so we can handle that for you. So wanted to give you this market update. We are seeing an awesome real estate season so far this year, and we are so honored to be coming alongside you to get your home sold. So give us a call and let's connect on a strategy for your particular house in terms of getting you the most amount of money. Thanks for joining me. Bye.